ALLSTAR Heating and Air is proud to be family-owned and operated, working with families like yours in Santa Barbara County for over 30 years. Our team of experienced technicians, installers, and friendly office staff are ready to tackle any heating and air conditioning needs you may have. We are proud to be your local Lennox Premier dealer and offer great options for all heating and air conditioning needs. Give us a call today to explore the world of home comfort. Our family is here to help your family today.
ALLSTAR Heating and Air Conditioning, 805-688-4018.